Hey, welcome. I am so happy to have you back. In this video, I am super excited to announce my brand new centerpiece guide. The reason why I created this guide is because so many of you guys from Facebook, Instagram has been reaching out to me, whether you were watching me on YouTube, on how I go about creating all my centerpieces, what is my thought process in creating my centerpieces. So in this guide, I want to show you guys exactly my thought process, how I get prepared in creating all these beautiful centerpieces that you see I create on my YouTube channel. So hopefully you guys can learn so much from this new guide. It is absolutely amazing and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Amazing part is to get access to this guide. It will be in my Elegant Creators Academy, where you can definitely be a part for free, get free access to it. And in the Elegant Creators Academy, as you all may know, if you do not know, I teach basically how you can blow up your brand. Like if you're a creator like myself, you want to know how to blow up your business, you want to know how to make money online, you want to know how to master Facebook, Instagram, all those social media platforms where you can brand yourself online, your business. I teach you all of these things in my Elegant Creators Academy. So hopefully this can help you. As a matter of fact, I want to give you a short clip on what's inside of my Mastery Centerpiece guide. So definitely check it out here. Here we go. So what you're going to learn in this guide: how to find ideas for centerpieces. A lot of you guys always ask me this question: how do you get your ideas? Where do you draw your inspiration from? Well, I'm going to be showing you in this module. Next thing you'll be learning is centerpiece theme. Let's say if you have an event or whatever type of event is, how can I create a centerpiece that's going to fit that theme? You will also learn that in this module. And then you have the foundation of your centerpiece. That's big because you want to make sure that you have the right foundation for your centerpiece so that your centerpiece is not flipping over. How do you go about creating that foundation so that you can have a strong withholding centerpiece? And then we're going to get into the type of materials you can use to create your centerpiece. Should you use something that's made out of steel, something that's made out of rubber, glass? What type of materials do you want to create your centerpieces? I know that's one of the hardest things I battle with every time when it comes time for me to make my centerpieces. And then we have flower arrangements. What type of flower arrangement should you do for your centerpiece? Should it have lots of flowers? Should it have fewer amounts of flowers? What type of oasis or floral form should you use to create your flowers? So I will be showing you that in all of these modules. And then you have the tools. What kind of tools should I use to put my centerpiece together? Will I need a power drill? Would I need like the glue? What kind of glue do you use? What kind of glue is good for that particular object that you're going to be creating your centerpiece? So these are all fundamental things that you really do need to know when it comes to creating a centerpiece, because there's certain glues that you are not able to use with certain objects. So you need to know what's the correct glue for each material that you're going to be putting together. And then we have the safety, the precautions that you need to take, the measures that you need to take, whether you need to wear gloves, whether that you need to wear goggles. So we're going to get into all the safety hazards when it comes to creating a centerpiece. We have storing, transportation. I know you guys ask me that question a lot. How do I store my centerpieces? How do I transport my centerpieces? What do I put them in order for them to have a longer learning age? We're going to get into all of that. And then we have another important question that you guys always ask me is, can I sell my centerpieces? How do I sell my centerpieces? What platform should I sell my centerpieces? We're going to get into all of that because I know there's so many different tactics I can teach you on how you can go about selling your centerpieces if that's something that you're interested in doing. Another thing is, how can you get local deal, whether it was with big businesses that wants to reach out to you or that you want to reach out to for them to showcase your centerpiece, on how you can go about doing that. Also guys, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have joined the Elegant Creators Academy and if you've checked out any of my guides in the Elegant Creators Academy. I am just so excited about this experience and everything that I've experienced so far. Now, if you have any thought process on what other guides I should add in the Elegant Creators Academy, please comment below and I'll be happy to serve you guys. That's what I'm here for. You know, whatever that you feel like you're struggling in, whether it was in your business, whether it was of your offline or online business, I'm here to serve you. So don't hesitate to reach out to me, comment below. I do have a whole community on Facebook where you can meet content creators, DIYers, you know, business owners like yourself. It's an amazing group to be a part of. If you haven't joined this group, please do so. I will have the link in the description box underneath this video. It is just it's been such a sweet and amazing experience for me, and I am just truly appreciative of you guys. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you guys for following me on this journey, and I'm so happy that I've been able to help so many others as well. This experience has been so humbling for me, and it's just so amazing to see everyone and their amazing talents, especially with the people that are in the Elegant Creators group. I don't know if you're part of the Elegant Creators group, but if you are, comment below and let me know. And you know, just seeing your work and your amazing talents and what you guys are able to create just looks absolutely stunning, and that really inspires me and motivates me. And I am just here to serve you, to create what I create, and for you guys to be able to learn from what I'm learning as far as creating my centerpieces or any of my DIYs. So it's just been an amazing experience for me, and thank you so much, you guys, for all your support. And just let me know what you guys want to see next as far as, you know, for the guide and the Elegant Creators Academy. I'm just so open to hear your thought process, hear what you guys would like to learn. You know, also don't forget to check out, I do have, if you're interested in finding amazing quality flowers, that's also a question that you guys ask me about a lot, on where can you get good amazing quality flowers. The amazing part is I was able to partner with Amazon and able to have an Elegant Creator store where we can, you know, shop for amazing, good quality flowers. So definitely check the store out. It's live, it's open. Feel free to check the store out and, you know, try the flowers out. Let me know what you think. You know, reach out to me. And I would love to hear all of your feedback on that. Facebook group for if you are a part of the Elegant Creators Academy, where you can join and ask any questions that you may have. I'm in that group. Ask me any questions that you may have pertaining to any of the guides. So definitely join that group for a support system. You'll find other Elegant Creators Academy students on there. So definitely join the Facebook group. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I truly appreciate you guys. Bye, guys.